is my role in my classroom. So please read our classroom rules.
Respectfully speak and work with others. Carefully follow directions. Politely raise your hand before talking. Kindly treat classmates, teachers. Positively give
Are we all agree in this classroom rules, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's good to hear. Do you want an activity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Our activity is, I will show you some pictures, animal pictures, object, or an action pictures, and you only need to do is to identify what is the sound of the given pictures. Remember, class, that don't answer and very good. You need to remember our classroom rules. Politely raise your hand if you want to answer. Very good. So the first picture. Okay. Rachel. Okay. Rachel said that the sound of the V is. Let's identify or let's check if her answer is correct. Okay. Okay, very good. The reason is correct. Okay, next picture. Okay, next picture. Okay. Hello. What is the sound of the given picture? Okay, kakayan. Ayan. Okay, plus. Okay, nakalimutan ko class nga natin ay tayo ka ng choices. Mag-pick tayo ng choices. And then, atong i-guess if you are correct. So, okay, what's your answer? Ayan. Plus, okay, let's check if your answer is correct.
Picture lang on.
Wala siya na po ang ay, wait lang. What's item? Check. If your answer is correct, naguna na sa class. Pero, ayan is correct. Next picture. Two cars bump each other. So, unsa kaya ang sound if na ay magbagaan nga ang picture? Duha ka car. Okay, Dawid, Jeffrey. Okay, let's check if his answer is correct. Okay, the correct answer is crash. Okay, when there is two cars bump each other, the sound is crash. Next picture, when there is a fire exploded. Okay, very good. The sound is okay. And after that, last picture. Don't answer, Carlos. Okay, Tanyo. Okay.
Why is the art?
The correct answer, pero it's okay naman na it depends on the author or the writer if he used or she used art or wood. Okay. Okay. And let's check your understanding on the activity. The first is, what did you learn about the animals or objects after looking at the pictures? Okay, Pinos?
I learned that every object or animals have different sounds.
Okay, Venus said that every object and animals have different sounds. Okay. Number two, what was it easy or hard to guess the pictures using Okay, Angel?
It was a big hard teacher bag and carefully selected.
Okay, there are, Angel said na it was a big heart ko no, nag-listod siya. Okay, class? Naka mo sa ako, ha?
Yes.
Okay. Angel said na mag-listod daw siya o yes, pero iyahara daw na na-guess tungod kay namati siya o hello. Very good. Last, how did listening to the sound help you know the animals and objects better? Okay.
The sound helped me know which animal it was more.
Okay. Can you repeat?
The sound helped me know which animal it is or it was an object. Or it was an object.
Okay. Michilo said that naka-help daw niya pag-identify ang animal or ang sound o ang animal through the sound. Okay, Krishna, are you listening? Together with Tehero? Okay, class. What did you notice about the word bells, clocks, cards, boom, and bomb? Okay. Okay, what did you notice?
Those are sounds.
Okay, those are the real life sounds na everywhere or every time na atay madungog. Example, class, kana tingog sa nakadungog na ba kung tingog sa B, class? Yes! Sure! Okay, that is those words, those special words are what we call onomatopoeia. Okay? Can we all read it together? Onomatopoeia. Okay. Onomatopoeia, class, are the words that imitate real sounds. These words help readers imagine the words in a story or a sentence. When we read or write using onomatopoeia, the text becomes more lively, fun, and expressive. Class, naapamoy na ilahan ng mga author sa mga nabasa ninyong story?
Yes.
Okay, give me example, Crispin. Give me one example author na inyong nabasa in your storybook.
It was the author, teacher, she is Jenkins.
Jenkins, and his or her story is?
Harry Potter.
Okay, Harry Potter. In the story Harry Potter, class, there are mga sounds na gamit dituan ni author. But, di ba class, pag magbasa takibali natin, mabasahan dito, the two card bump each other or hit each other. Di ba muna, dili siya live or dili ta maka-imagine. So that, ang author or na-assign ka ng alternative nga words na ipapuli. Okay. Alternative nga pwede gamiton sa author. Mano siya, mitawag na to o onomatopoeia. Ang onomatopoeia class no kanang i-imitate nimo ang real life sounds. Okay. Can you give me example of onomatopoeia? Anyone? Okay. Okay. Janessa? Okay. Oink oink. Oink oink is example of onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. But note class that onomatopoeia have three characteristics. It has the first one is nature, the second one is animals, and the third one is sounds that relate to everyday life. So, Janessa, give example about oink oink. So, what do you where kaya nabilong ang oink oink class? Okay, animals. Next is, can you give me one example of nature onomatopoeia? Example lang. Okay, listen.
Sound of kanagaling sa trees nature pagkuhanan siya sa amin.
Okay, Russell, that's what we call Russell. Wind is kanang whispering or kanang blowing the trees.
Going by the wind.
Blowing by the wind. Russell siya, class. Mana siya ang tawag sa trees nga pag ang wind is mag-whisper sa iyaha. Okay, and last, can you give me example of sounds that relate to everyday life? Kanang nakita ninyo, class. Kanang sound, music, okay? Joy? Okay, what is the sound of okay, crinkling? It could be crinkling and it could be tick-tock, tick-tock. Diba, class? Nakalunod, tick-tock, tick-tock. Application.
TikTok mashup.
Okay. Okay, I will give you an example and you will guess where is the onomatopoeia in the sentence. Okay, the first sentence is, okay, Jana. The first sentence, I'm going to read. You will going to identify where is the onomatopoeia in the sentence. Okay, buzzing. Is Jana is correct?
Yes,
Okay, the second one. The kids jumped into the pool and made a big splash. Okay, Kervin. Okay, Kervin is correct. The onomatopoeia in the sentence is splash. Okay, but before we go with our activity, I will pick three students nga maghatag silang sentence na class. Example sentence of onomatopoeia. One of the nature, animals, and sounds that relates to real life situation. Okay, nature. Okay, Kervin, give me example sentence of onomatopoeia using nature. Wait. Okay. What's funny, Kervin? Okay.
I heard the person of leaves in the wind blow through the trees.
Okay. Kervin said that he heard the rustle of the wind. He heard the rustle of the wind and the blow of trees.
Blow, I blow through the trees.
Okay, where is the onomatopoeia there? Okay, Russell. Okay, and the animals. Okay, at Rian.
The ship sounds ba ba.
Where is the onomatopoeia there? Okay, now are sounds that relate to everyday life or real life situations. Jana, sounds nga nakarelate sa real life situations. Give me one example, one sentence.
I'm going to shoot you, bang bang bang.
Okay, shooting. What do you? Okay, class. Next time, you must be careful with your words because teacher. I know, wala ko na ikala to class, pero basin baka talk ko sa inyong kuan ka na classmates niya, ma-hurt sila. So, pag ma-hurt sa pulis, so it is not good class, diba? Okay, teacher. Are you ready with our activity? Yes, teacher. Today, class, you will be going to be a detective. Kabalo mo mong class o sa mga trabaho sa detective? Yes! Okay, kabalo ba guys sila? So, this our game is called Sound Detective Game, okay? Okay.
Pick.
Bato, bato,